Save time, space, and end the hassle of shop-made router jigs with the Woodpeckers Variable Router Jig, which assembles in minutes by simply sliding together the extruded aluminum parts and tightening with the included ball-tip hex wrench. Next, clamp the jig down with the included stainless steel clamp brackets that stay out of your way. Then easily adjust to the desired dimension using the precision, laser-engraved metric and imperial scales. Cutting mortises is effortless, and making precision inlays, pockets, and through cuts is quick and easy. So save the hassle and improve your work with the Variable Router Jig from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.